Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a product in the Etsy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search bar at the top of the page and just search for anything you want. And as you can see, here are some Game of Thrones related gifts. You can just browse through them, and for example, if you like any of it, then just click on that. You will be able to see reviews, details, delivery on the item, and you can save it for later by clicking on the heart button at the top of the page. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.